Ever pondered the mysteries lurking in the icy wilderness of Antarctica? Our subject for today's exploration is none other than Antarctica, the southernmost continent on our planet. Isolated, frosty, and astoundingly vast, this colossal landmass spans over 14 million square kilometers. The temperature here often plummets to bone-chilling lows, creating a landscape that's as captivating as it is forbidding. But hold on to your hats, for Antarctica is not just about ice and cold. It's also the largest desert in the world, far surpassing the Sahara, the Kalahari, or the Arabian Desert. Yes, you heard it right. A desert, by definition, is a barren area with little precipitation, and Antarctica fits the bill impeccably. So, welcome to the Deca Wonders channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things fascinating. Now that we've set the stage, brace yourself for 10 surprising facts about this icy desert. Fact number 1, Antarctica is a continent without a permanent population. This vast, icy wilderness, larger than Europe, is devoid of any permanent residents. Instead, the inhabitants you'll find here are temporary, mainly comprised of scientists from various corners of the world. These researchers stay for limited periods, conducting vital studies before returning to their home countries. This leaves Antarctica as a unique place on Earth, a continent populated only transiently. Imagine a landmass larger than Europe and yet no permanent inhabitants. Fact number 2, Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. It holds the chilling world record for the lowest temperature ever recorded, a bone-numbing -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme cold shapes the entire continent, creating a barren, icy landscape that is nearly devoid of life. The conditions are so harsh that even the most resilient creatures and plants struggle to survive. A place so cold, even the hardiest of explorers think twice before venturing. Fact number 3, Antarctica houses a staggering 90% of the world's ice. In fact, about 70% of the world's fresh water is stored in this frozen wilderness. This colossal icy domain, the largest single mass of ice on Earth, has profound implications for our planet, Dan. Imagine if this ice were to melt, it could potentially raise global sea levels by a daunting 58 meters. But it's not just about rising waters. It's about the balance of our ecosystem, the survival of numerous species, and the future of our coastal cities. A vast frozen reservoir holding the fate of global sea levels in its icy grip. Fact number 4, Antarctica is governed by an international treaty. Crafted by 12 nations in 1959, this remarkable agreement, known as the Antarctic Treaty, stands as a beacon of global cooperation. It explicitly prohibits military activity, mineral mining, nuclear tests, and the disposal of nuclear waste, making Antarctica a sanctuary for peace and scientific discovery. The treaty underscores the commitment of nations to preserve this unique wilderness, free from human exploitation, a place of peace and science protected by global agreement. Fact 5, Antarctica's unique wildlife and research stations. It's a common misconception that Antarctica is devoid of life. Quite the contrary, it's a sanctuary for some of the most resilient creatures on Earth. From colonies of emperor penguins enduring the harshest winters to seals lounging on ice sheets and whales breaching in the icy waters, even minuscule krill, a cornerstone of the Antarctic food chain, thrive in these frosty waters. On to fact number 6, turning to the human presence, Antarctica is home to a network of research stations. These scientific outposts, scattered across the ice, are manned by dedicated teams of international scientists. They brave the freezing temperatures to contribute to our understanding of our planet. From climate change studies to astronomical research, some stations like the British Halley 6 can even move to adapt to the shifting ice, a harsh environment yet teeming with life and scientific discovery. Coming in at number 7, the dry valleys. Now, I bet you didn't expect to hear the term dry valleys in a discussion about the world's iciest continent, yet Antarctica is home to valleys so dry that they haven't seen a snowfall for millions of years. It's the driest and windiest continent, receiving very little precipitation. The interior gets less than 2 inches of rainfall per year. These valleys, devoid of moisture and virtually lifeless, offer a stark contrast to the ice-laden landscapes typically associated with Antarctica. Just as intriguing is fact number 8. Antarctica is the best place on Earth to find meteorites. The icy plains serve as a stark white canvas, making these space rocks easier to spot. The movement of ice sheets towards the mountains also helps to concentrate these meteorites in specific areas, making Antarctica a meteorite hunter's paradise. A land of contrasts where deserts coexist with ice and space rocks are common. Antarctica continues to surprise and fascinate us, doesn't it? Number 9 is the presence of active volcanoes. Yes, you heard that right. Antarctica isn't just a land of ice, but also of fire. Among the frozen landscapes, you'll find Mount Erebus, the southernmost active volcano on our planet. Standing tall at 12,448 feet, it's a stark contrast to its icy surroundings with its constant lava lake bubbling away. But the wonders of Antarctica don't stop there. Fact number 10, look up to the sky and you might just witness one of the most breathtaking sights nature has to offer. The Southern Lights, or Aurora Australis. This natural light show paints the Antarctic sky in hues of green, blue, and red, a spectacle caused by charged particles from the sun interacting with our planet's magnetic field. So there you have it, 10 surprising facts about the largest desert in the world. Antarctica, a place that defies expectations, teeming with life and activity despite its frigid, barren landscape. Antarctica, a land of extremes where the unexpected is the norm. If you found these facts as fascinating as we did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible content. Thanks for joining us on this icy adventure, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay curious.